Good morning to one and all present on the dais and to the audience here and also to my friends and colleagues present here. It gives me great pleasure to share the dais with one of the respectable and highly dignitary people in the country, and I'm very happy about it. Civil services, the word means too many things to too many people, but to all of our aspirants here and who had been selected, it means one. It's our way to do something to our nation, to give back something from what we have taken more. So it means a lot. The path towards civil services, it's been most burdensome, as many would say. It had been the same to us also. It will be also for the same for the others too. But apart from this, the thing that we have derived after getting selected through this service, through this most competitive exam that around the world that it is being called as, it gives us tremendous pleasure. But beyond this pleasure, it gives us a sense of responsibility. It has thrust upon us all a sense of responsibility of what the country expects from us. And it's high time, our generation, the current generation and generations to come, for us to give back to our nation. And the path to civil services has just begun for us, and just the journey is yet to start. We are very happy about it, and I would feel small if I do not mention the role played by my parents here. They have been of much support, moral guidance, support, whatnot they have been to us, for all of us. Beyond all this, I just wish to say, like, what is that the country expects from us? One thing, it's not who we are that matters, but what we do that matters. So whatever small or big, we should start from ourselves. I am reminded of our words of our father of our nation, be the change that we wish to see. So let's start from us. We would, and we all of us would expect India to be on a higher pedestal than it is today. And what do we do for that? We should start from ourselves. We be the change that we wish to see. We be part of the change that we expect tomorrow India to be as. So, and I also take this opportunity to thank MIT for felicitating all, not only the toppers, but all of the people, aspirants who have been selected this year. And finally, I would conclude with my famous author's quotation: the smallest of actions is better than the noblest of intentions. So let us all join together and make India proud. Thank you.
குடியரசு தின பொதுவிழாவில் நமது தேசிய கொடியை ஏற்றி வைத்து